indices after a little slide yesterday have recovered sharp today. We have seen, see, the tech 100, the Dow Jones and the S&P, all of these three traded bullish here. With the European indices, we have seen a good strong momentum here in the Germany 40 and FTSE 100, and the US indices, US futures have just given a stronger company here. So what to expect now from the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow with the US session? Can we expect a dip here, or it is again going to rally high? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading S&P, Nasdaq, Dow? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first with S&P, followed with Nasdaq in the end, Dow. See, S&P 500 on the hourly chart. See, first of all, the highs what we had seen is 5964. I've mentioned earlier in the day why this is going to be a key resistance zone, and beyond 5964, it is 597072. So these are the two levels which are going to play a major role. What is happening here? After striking the top, it is trying to retrace, and now for it to turn bearish, it is very, very important for S&P to trade below 5940, only below which you can expect slight bearishness here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is just trading with little divergence, RSI is flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See, it is dipped towards the 20 period moving average, then the rise, and it can follow with a retracement here. Wait for it to stay below 5940. That is the only level below which it will turn bearish, and that too specifically only and only if you see the S&P trading below 5920, you can say that now the bears are taking over. See, drop, retracement, and drop here could be equally strong. Be mindful of this. Stochastic overbought, MACD is trading bearish, RSI here is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, now on the 3-hour charts also similar observations. See, this could become the reversal sign. Only thing is, first let it stay below 5940 and then 5920. If these two levels are taken, one can easily say that the drop, retracement, and now after reversing, it can take a corrective move towards 5910 levels, the strongest support here on the downside. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over for a sell, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, RSI running flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, the observation, only thing here is that it has come down here. 4 straight bearish candles were seen. This is a bounce back, and this can continue to trade bullish here. So if you see it is staying above 5865, expect 5965. If you see it is staying above, expect 597072 as the first target and 598085 as the second. If at all S&P trades above 5985, stay bullish for 6,000 levels here. Now see, double bottoms are seen here, and this is going to be the prime support around 5920. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for sell, RSI flat. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, one important observation here is how it has been trading since last multiple sessions and last multiple weeks is, see, it is trading in this swing channel where every drop is an offset with the rise, and now it has to take a direction. Either which ways it can be, it can move or break on the upside, or it can drop or crash as well. Right now, if you look at the movement here, rise, a swing candle trying to bounce back, it has taken the support here, and the moving average is crossing over here is not a good sign because this is a bearish cross. However, there is not much of upside, it appears, but only and only if it stays above 5965, 597072, and 5980 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD hitting the lows, has just crossed over, trading with divergence. It suggests more bullishness, RSI rising as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it staying above 5965. Expect 597072, 598085. And if these two levels and if these two zones are taken, stay bullish for 6000, 6020 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now only is recommended at 5940 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 593230 and 5920. If 5920 is taken, we can expect 5900 levels today itself. Chances for which appears to be less though, but let's see. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest percent, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look how Tech 100 has been trading. See, after this rise, retracement, and now it is under retracement after this stronger move here. Now it is looking upwards but trading in a retracement zone. Very, very important for it to now trade beyond for 21,220, 21,260, and 21,310 levels. If these three levels are taken, stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, MACD just trading with little divergence, little bullishness here. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, Look at the 2 hour chart, similar observation, drop retracement, and now it is trying to look downwards here again. If you see it is staying below 21,150, 21,100 zone, you can just stay short from here. 21,050 and 21,000 is a must here. Though the moving average is crossing over here, it suggests you have good bullish momentum here. If you look at the stock, I think this is at the top, while the MACD right now trading bearish and RSI flat. Coming to the 4 3 on the 3 hour chart, similar observations. The drop retracement, drop was sharper, the retracement or the rise is gradual. Now just let it stay below 21,160, 150 zone, and then you can expect it to in fact move towards 21,120, and then 21,050, 21,000 should be there very, very, very soon. Here's the indicators. Stock I think is starting to rise while the MACD just crossed over. It is trading flat, but it may deliver a stronger momentum. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour, this is the only worry I have on the 4 hour chart. See, it has formed higher lows and it can give you a breakout, and thus very, very important for now for US 100 to trade below this mark, this point, which is right now sitting at around 21,120 levels. Only and only if it trades below 21,180, 120,080 zone, you can say now Tech 100 is turning bearish. And see, it has started with lower highs. It can start moving downwards and can move towards 21,120 levels if and only if it trades below this. Expect 21,100,080, and below 21,080 expect a stronger correction here. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for sale, RSI flat. Coming to the on the daily chart, similar observation here. See a swing here, and now with the flat bottom, it is starting. It can in fact move towards higher highs. Only worry point is this. Else, right now, see preceding candle is a bearish candle, and see this is coming after a good swing here. See what we have seen here: lower highs and lower lows. So yes, it is going to be difficult for it to now trade beyond 21,360, 400 zone. And if it breaks beyond this, just close your eyes, stay bullish for 21,500, 540 and 600 levels as well, which is going to be the prime resistance here, and that is also to be treated as a breakout. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge, and this crossover can lead to reversal. This can lead to a stronger rise. RSI rising. So looking at this now, I'll recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying about 21,220, expect 21,250, 260 first, 300 second, and then 340, 360 third. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 21,400, 21,500, 540 and 600 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 21,120 levels. Expect 21,080, and 21,080 should be a very good support. Below that, 21,040, 21,000, and if it breaks below 21,000, stay short for 2,900, 2,800 zone, below which a crash can appear, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US30 consistently formed a base here at 43,100, 43,060,080 zone, which is going to be remaining a prime support zone. Now it has come down towards the triple top levels, which is very, very critical for it to break past by 43,340, 43,350. If you see it is staying above 43,350, I think we can stay bullish for 43,400. Look at the formation, good support and the stronger bullish move. It is very, very important for US30 to trade below 43,250 and 43,200 zone. If these two levels are taken, you can expect that the bears will be back here in action. Stochastic overbought here, MACD just crossing over. It is good sign for the bulls. RSI rising. So though the stochastic is overbought, but the MACD is still suggestive of further bullishness. Look at the 2 hour charts. What it did, it has come down to take the support here, trying to bounce back. If it stays beyond 43,350, we can just stay bullish here. And else below 43,250 and 200, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Here's the stochastic overbought, MACD under retracement, RSI rising. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See what we discussed earlier, that it is forming a reversal and it can continue to rise. It has come towards double top level, and this could be the reversal here. This could be the reversal. If it stays below 43,200, you can look forward to a greater correction here. Moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over, trading flat here. RSI overbought. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, it is formed lower highs. It can try to erase some of the gains. It can come down to us 43,200, 4260 zone, or in fact 43,200. A drop below 43,200, certainly you can expect that 43,060,080, and in fact 43,000 has to be there. As it has formed a double top, it can possibly try to move towards the zone at 43,000 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI overbought. Things are slightly overbought here for US30 on the time frame, smaller time frames. Coming to the day. On the daily chart, similar observation. See, it is need to just break beyond 43,340, 350 zone, breaking beyond which you can expect 400, and if 400 is taken, I think we can stay bullish for 43,500 and in fact 43,600 levels. Beyond 43,400, buy the dip is the call here. Moving averages are right now on the sales. It is trying to converge. If you look at the preceding formation, it has formed a top here, and after this top it retraces. So after this top, it can start to retrace and deliver lower lows. Let's see which direction it takes, and it drop below 43 100 200 zone should be a good sign for further bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, RSI rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is buy only if you see it is staying above 43 360 levels. Expect 43 400, 43 480 500, and then 43 570 600 should be there very very soon. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 43 expect 43 200, then 43 100 080, and if 43 100 080 is taken, stay short for 43,000. Any drop below 43,000, I think you should not be staying with the buys here. We are looking forward to correction towards 42 900 and 42 800 levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.